Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix AOC portable monitor no signal. So basically, if you have AOC monitor, first of all check your computer. So just right click it, click on display settings and check if you see the second monitor. If you see the second monitor and you still doesn't have a signal, this will be a cable issue. So basically what you can do is try to plug quality USB-C cable that transmits audio and etc. And basically if that doesn't help, check with HDMI. HDMI can be a problem, so just plug your HDMI cable and check if you have a signal. If that doesn't help, what you can do is basically try unplugging your monitor and then plugging it back again, or just restarting your computer with your monitor plugged in. So these are the solutions to fix your portable AOC monitor. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.